Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat account locked. So if your Snapchat account is locked and you want able to log into your account because it's locked, so here is the trick to unlock your account. So first of all, go to your browser and search for the Sport Snapchat locked account, and once you will make a search you will see page like this. Simply tap on the first link and you will see page like this. So read here on the first point, Snapchat right here is using a third party will lock your account. So if you are using any of the third party application like Snap Saver, Short Saver, Save Story, these type of applications are not allowed by the Snapchat. If you are using these type of the app, Snapchat will automatically lock your account. So first of all, delete these application from your mobile if you have, and after that go to the storage and go to the apps from here, and from here you have to search for the Snapchat, and once you will search for it you have to click on the storage and the cache. Now clear your storage from here, and after that try to log into your account. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.